What if I tell you that anyone can use the most powerful AI video generators completely free? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you that how anyone can generate unlimited AI videos 100% free using Grok Imagine and Google Veo 3. And the best part is you do not need any complex installations or payment solutions to use this. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and with all this said, let's head over to our computer screen for the practical stuff. First of all, open your favorite browser and search Gemini Gen. Then open very first website. So first of all, let's hit sign up button to create a free account on this website. After creating an account, it will redirect us to the main interface, and here you can see on the right top we have 10 credits. So don't worry about this because we're not going to use any credits. So let's head over to studio section and then click on video gen, and here we have our interface. Well, this is super small. First of all, you have to select the model which you are going to use, and then you have to enter your prompt. First of all, let's see how we can use Grok completely free. Simply click on Grok, and here you can see in the model sector we have Grok completely free. Now, if you want to create a video using your image, you can select a reference image from here, and in the generation mode, you can simply use any extremely crazy or spicy custom. I'm going with normal one. We can use this simple prompt box, or you can also click on advanced or advanced settings. I'm going with basic. I have entered a prompt, and below of that you need to select orientation of your video. I'm going with the landscape 16:9 ratio. After that you have to select your resolution. I'm going with 780p, so it takes some less time. And for the duration, I'm going with 6 seconds. And here you can see it says 0 credits will be used to generate this video. Now simply hit on generate with Grok. Here you can see in the right side our video is being generated. You can also see this in the history section. Here you can see our video is being generated. For the time being, this video is being generated. Let's head over to studio section back, and now let's create a video with Google Veo 3. Simply click on Veo, and here you can see in the model sector we have Veo Fast and Veo Light completely free. Simply use Veo 3.1 Fast, and if you want frame to video, which means image to video, you can select this. I will go with the same prompt, and for the resolution I'm going with same resolution, and for the quality I'm going with 720p, and for the duration I'm going with 6 seconds. And here you can see this generation will cost us 0 credits, which means our credits will not be used. Simply click on generate video, and here you can see our video is being generated. Let's head over to history section, and you can see our very first video is generated, and our video with the Veo 3 is being generated. You can see although this platform is completely free, but still it has a good generation speed. Well, I have created another 2 videos using different prompts, and total number of videos are 4. All of them are ready, and you can see our credits are done, which means we do not have used any credits. And let's download them and see the comparison both of Grok and Veo. Well, that's it from this video. Hopefully you have enjoyed it. One thing I want to say, make sure to join our WhatsApp channel. The link is below in description. On our WhatsApp channel, we provide a lots of new methods and tricks completely free. We cannot share all of those here on YouTube because of different rules and policies. So we provide them on our WhatsApp channel. So make sure to join that. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye. Peace out.